How to add a bank account to HoneyBook. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to HoneyBook. This is a really important step if you're going to be using HoneyBook to get paid for your services. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of keeping your financial information safe online. HoneyBook is a very secure platform, but it's still important to be aware of the risks of online fraud. Here are a few tips to help you stay safe. Use strong passwords. Your passwords should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't share your passwords with anyone. Be wary of emails or phone calls from people claiming to be from HoneyBook. If you're not sure who is contacting you, don't give out any personal information. Monitor your bank accounts and credit reports regularly. Now that we've covered the basics of online safety, let's get started with adding a bank account to HoneyBook. Step 1. Log in to HoneyBook. If you don't already have a HoneyBook account, you can create one for free. Once you're logged in, click on the Settings tab. Step 2. Click on Payment Methods. This will take you to the page where you can add your bank account. Step 3. Click on Add Bank Account. Step 4. Enter your bank account information. This includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Step 5. Click on Save. That's it. Your bank account is now added to HoneyBook. Now that your bank account is added to HoneyBook, you can start using it to get paid for your services. Here are a few things to keep in mind. HoneyBook will automatically send your invoices to your clients. Your clients can pay your invoices online using a credit card or bank transfer. You can track your payments in the HoneyBook dashboard. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.